Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting contacts on Telegram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Deleting contacts on Telegram is very easy to do once you know how. Follow the steps in the video to learn how to do it. Open the Telegram app and then tap Contacts in the bottom left corner. Hold down on the contact that you would like to delete. Then tap Delete Contact from the options that appear. Tap Delete Contact again on the pop-up. You have 5 seconds to undo the delete, in case you made a mistake. After that, the contact will be permanently deleted from your Telegram. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Telegram tips and tricks.